Hello viewers, today we will discuss the important topics of electrical engineering, why RCCB is necessary for the purpose of house wiring. As we know, for the purpose of house wiring, we use the RCCB, MCB, ELCB and the much protective device for the purpose of house wiring. But RCCB is necessary for the purpose of house wiring. At first, subscribe my channel and get more electrical related video. So, today we will discuss why RCCB is necessary for the purpose of house wiring. As we know, the MCB is protect for the high current and the short circuit fault. So for the purpose of short circuit fault and the high current flow through the circuit, we use the MCB rather than the RCCB. So MCB is protect for high current and short circuit fault. But the MCB also protect the high current flow, but MCB does not protect the low leakage fault and cannot determine by the MCB when the low leakage fault occurred by the use of the insulations breakdowns and the other leakage. There is low leakage fault, we cannot determine the insulations fault, insulations breakdowns, we cannot determine by the MCB. So that is the one defect for the purpose of the MCB. And use the RCCB to detect the low leakage fault. When the insulations breakdown or the human protection or human being gets shocked, we detect the low leakage fault and that is detected by the RCCB. So RCCB is a major role to detect the human body. RCCB means the residual current circuit breaker. So the small leakage current flow through the circuit can determine by the RCCB and trip the circuit. So RCCB is necessary for the purpose of the human protections and use for RCCB to detect the low leakage fault. So as you use the house, there is the human being. For the low leakage protection, we always use RCCB, but the MCB does not detect the human protection or does not detect the low leakage fault or insulations breakdown or the cable insulations failure. So we use the RCCB that use for the purpose of the human protections. So for the very fatal protections or fatal injury, the RCCB can be determined. By the MCB, the fatal injury, the fatal protections or the does not determine. But the MCB and RCCB both are the electrical protective device. When we use the MCB, it the protect the high current flow or high leakage fault, and the which they use the RCCB, it detects the low leakage fault. So that is the difference for MCB and RCCB. So thanks for watching my this video.